Using Boolean algebra, simplify the following expression. Let's take a look what we can factorize in this expression. I have Q, right? And I have K naught and K naught. But let's say, what will happen if I'm going to factorize Q? I have Q, open parenthesis, K or Z naught. Everything, whatever I didn't use, I'm going to copy this down. I'm going to have Q naught, K naught, or K naught Z. Just take a look. I have K or Z naught, and I have K naught and Z. These two terms are complements to each other. So I can use the complement absorption theorem, which says that anytime I have complements and one of them is ended with something else, in this case with Q, that complement can be dropped out. That's why I'm going to cross this one out. I'm going to have Q or Q naught, K naught. I have to write also K naught Z. Now we have another example of complement absorption. I have complements Q and Q naught, but one of them is ended to K naught. That's why this one is going to be cancelled out. That's why I'm going to end up with Q or K naught or K naught Z. I have K naught and K naught. I can factorize these two K naughts. I'm going to have Q or K naught, and I'm going to have 1 or Z. Q plus K naught. Remember that anything OR with 1 is always equal 1. That's why I'm going to end up with Q or K naught. This is my solution.